So this is a Tuesday morning in Surrey. It's pouring down with rain and Renee's at work. Luckily I'm in one of my favourite places. So there's the lovely potting greenhouse, which I'll show you more of in a moment. And this is what I've just been doing. I've been planting out tomato plants. I think there's 17 in this greenhouse. So these are tomatoes, I think they're Gardener's Delight, that I've grown from seed. So started them off back at the beginning of March. And we planted them out in this beautiful old, a bit shabby Victorian greenhouse this morning. So as far as I'm concerned, it's the best place to be when it's raining. Let me show you what else. That's the rat trap, just in case any rodents come along. There's a bit of repair work there. But over here is an apricot tree, which I pruned last year, and hopefully you can see the apricots, which are looking lovely and plump. So that's what shares this room in the greenhouse, and then through here is what are the grapevines that I pruned in January time. As you can see, there's lots of lovely grapes. I don't know what varieties these are, but what these need to be done with these is they need to be thinned. So you literally, this one looks like it's happened. You take some off the bunch. Let's see if I can find one and do it within reach. So here we go. And what you actually do is take some of them off using scissors. Actually, I think there's some here. These are sort of like long handled scissors, and you literally take some of them off to give more room for the other ones, so you get a more plump grapes. That's the grapevine. Lovely thing about these greenhouses is that they have their own water source. This is what you can hear and see here. So that's the water running in to an inside reservoir from the gutter above, which makes it really handy. So let's go and have a look at the potting shed. Oh, has it stopped raining? Oh no, not quite. So this is the potting shed. So this is where those tomatoes started off in March, and we've got a load more tomatoes which are going to go in another greenhouse. We've got some leeks which need to go out, and we've got some climbing beans that need to go out as well. We've also got a whole host of little perennial plugs, and more tomatoes, and these are some lupins that I've sown by seed that need to be pricked out. There's some herbs here which need to go out, and this is some scented geranium cuttings that I took that seem to have taken. So yes, so Tuesday mornings, this is where I am. I'm quite happy to be in the greenhouse this morning.